A very warm welcome to all my CA Foundation students. Many of you had requested a video on suit for injunction. So here I am fulfilling your demand. Students, in case you have doubts in any concept, just leave it in the comment section and I will definitely try to make a video on that concept. If you're watching my video for the first time, I am CA Preeti Aggarwal and I make videos specially for you. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of injunction, when can a suit be filed for injunction, and few examples. Subscribe to your channel Theorymasters Learning and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for all such concept based videos. And also visit my website theorymasterslearning.com for CA books, lectures and test series. If you have completed your offline lectures for May 22 exam but you're not satisfied, you're not confident in law, then you can buy my lectures from my website theorymasterslearning.com. Link is in the description box. In case of breach of contract, we are very quick to conclude, we are very quick to suggest that the aggrieved party should claim damages. But many a times, damages are not an adequate remedy. In fact, damages are not the only remedy available with the aggrieved party. If the aggrieved party feels that damages are not an adequate remedy, damages lekar main kya karu, then they can file a suit for injunction. Injunction is an order passed by the court restraining or stopping a person from doing something which he promised not to do. पार्टी ने हमें प्रॉमिस किया था कि वो ये काम नहीं करेगा, फिर वही करके आ जाता है. We can stop him from doing so by getting an order of injunction passed. हम कोर्ट के पास चले जाएंगे and we will prove that there is breach of contract, damages नहीं चाहिए, they are not an adequate remedy. पार्टी ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि वो ये काम नहीं करेगा, अब वही करने जा रहा है, प्लीज पास एन ऑर्डर टू स्टॉप हिम. In that situation, the court will pass an order restraining, stopping a person from doing something which he promised not to do. पार्टी ने हमें प्रॉमिस किया था कि वो ये काम नहीं करेगा, हम कोर्ट के पास जाकर अगर वो ये काम करने जाता है तो उसे रोक सकते हैं. That is nothing but suit for injunction. So suit for injunction is an order of the court restraining or stopping a person from doing something which he promised not to do. Generally, we are stopping him from doing the negative aspects of contract. पार्टी ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि वो ये काम नहीं करेगा, अगर वही जाता है करने, we can stop him from doing so by getting an order of injunction passed. This injunction is generally in case the damages are not an adequate remedy. अब example देख लो. W promised to sing at the theater of L only during the contract period. W ने प्रॉमिस किया था that I will sing only at your theater and at no other theater. फिर जाके Z के साथ भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया. We can stop W from doing so by getting an order of injunction passed. Another example. A promised to purchase the whole of his electricity requirement of the factory from B only. ए ने प्रॉमिस किया बी, मेरे फैक्ट्री में जितनी भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की रिक्वायरमेंट है मैं तेरे से ही खरीदूंगा. फिर वो जाके सी के साथ भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना चाहता है. वी कैन स्टॉप हिम फ्रॉम डूइंग सो बाय गेटिंग एन ऑर्डर ऑफ injunction passed. So what is injunction? It is nothing but order of the court stopping a person from doing something which he promised not to do. छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट है स्टूडेंट्स. आई होप आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट अभी समझ में आ गया होगा. ऐसे कोई दूसरे कॉन्सेप्ट पे अगर आपको डाउट है, डू लीव इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट कॉन्सेप्ट. इफ यू हैव लाइक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन, इफ यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो, then do hit the like button, subscribe to your channel Theory Masters Learning and also visit my website theorymasterslearning.com for books, lectures and test series.